Hey, what's up? Today I'm building a meeting cost reality check, a quick business calculator to calculate the real cost of your meetings. It's a single file, sleek SaaS tool, perfect for managers, team leaders and anyone looking to boost productivity and see how much those calendar invites are actually burning. Let me quickly show you how I create this productivity tool using ChatGPT and Gemini so you can make your own meeting cost analyzer and improve corporate efficiency in minutes. First, we define the core logic. I always like to validate before moving to the next step. After that, we define the UI and UX. You can also validate. After validation, we implement recommendations. The next step is to bulletproof the idea by checking the edge cases and errors. And finally, we take all the above logic and turn it into a highly structured prompt for Gemini. And now select the prompt and paste it into Gemini. Make sure to select the canvas and choose the mode. And we get the first result of our app. The next step is to open Visual Studio Code. Create a new file and paste the code. Save it and open it in the browser. Here I test the copy results button and paste it into Notepad. After that, I see we have some errors, so I go to View and select Problems. I screenshot problems and paste it into Gemini. After it's done, I copy-paste the new code back to Visual Studio. Also, I pasted the code into ChatGPT to check it out. I copied suggestions back to Gemini and added currency selection. And deleted the social media share recommendations, and copy the code back to Visual Studio. Refresh Chrome and test out the app. Change the numbers of attendees, average hourly rate and meeting duration. And test the copy button. And that's it, a single file meeting cost reality check, a powerful team management and cost analysis tool. It's fully responsive, dynamic, handles edge cases and gives instant financial feedback. Perfect for managers, teams and business professionals who want to track the real cost of their meetings and maximize productivity. If you want to try it yourself, I'll drop the link in the description, and don't let your meetings waste your company's money.